Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take an English second paper class for class 8. Our today's topic is prefix and suffixes. We will read prefix and suffix today. Today's lecture number 11 and homework number 9 will be given today. So dear students, look here. So, we add prefix or suffix with a root word to make a new word. For example, see. Let's take comfort for a root word. So, we can add either prefix or suffix with it. If we add a prefix un and if we add able as a suffix, we get a new word uncomfortable. So you can see that prefix is added at the beginning of a word and suffix is added at the end of a word. In this way, we can add prefix or suffix or both with a root word and make a new word. Here, un is the prefix, comfort is the root word and able is the suffix, and we get a new word uncomfortable. Now let's see why we use prefix or suffix or what it does. Prefix or suffix is added to a word to form a new word, change its meaning or change its purpose of speech. All these functions can be achieved by using prefix or suffix with a word. Let's look at some examples now. Here we have some prefix or suffixes. Here we will see the meaning they imply, the change of meaning that comes into the words. Here we have the final words or examples. The first one is this. If we add it with a root word, it usually means opposite. Let's look at the examples. Dislike, discomfort. So, as we add this with these words, we get the opposite meaning. Then we have anti here. It usually means against. Our example is anti-liberation. So, this means against liberation. Next one is re. It usually implies the meaning of doing something again. For example, rewrite, rethink. Next one, ness. This is a suffix. If we add it with a word, it usually means a change in state or condition. For example, brightness, kindness. Next we have full. If we add full with a word, it usually means having something. For example, powerful. Powerful means having power. Then we have ly or li. If we add it as a suffix with a word, it usually forms adverbs. For example, slowly, friendly. Okay, dear students, in this way you can change a word with prefix and suffix, and there are more words and there are examples in your books too. You can read those to know more words. Let's come to our homework number 9. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using the root words in brackets, using suitable suffix, prefix or both. Easy one has been given as your first homework on prefix and suffix. Please do it carefully. In every gap there is a word given. You have to change this word with a prefix or suffix so that it suits the meaning and grammar of the sentence. Good health means blank. There is sound in brackets of body and mind. Health is the root of all. Number B, happy. One should take exercise C. Regular, because it is. D. Physic, exercise which enables us to build a good health. He should also observe the rules of F. Clean, and G. Healthy. Man cannot enjoy life. He suffers from frustration, H. Hopeless, etc. On the other hand, I. Health. Man can enjoy his life. Number J. Full. So all the words given in brackets with all the gaps, you have to change them using either suffix or prefix or both. Okay, dear students, this is the end of today's class. Please do the homework carefully and submit it in due time. Allah Hafiz.